Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Sheeba Renae and thank y'all for tuning in with me today. I am preparing myself a DIY hot oil treatment. It's going to be very nourishing and strengthening for my hair, which will aid in hair growth, and some of these ingredients are new to my regimen. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Newcomers, tap that subscribe button and notification bell for my future uploads, and we're going to get into this right now. So first I want to make sure I have a nice clean jar to store my oil in and that it's no water or dirt for chances of any type of bacteria. So my first ingredient is going to be fenugreek seeds. Now this is rich in folic acids, it's high in proteins, it has vitamins A and C, it also contains minerals, calcium, iron, and potassium. It strengthens the root of the hair and the follicles, it prevents hair fall and dandruff. I do like to use this in my conditioners, and I also like to make a detangling spray using this. It's awesome. Next up we have Amla powder, and this is a great strengthener for the hair and the scalp. It also stimulates hair growth, you guys. It reduces hair fall. It prevents dandruff and dry scalp. It is also considered a superfood rich in vitamins and minerals, and it increases blood flow to the scalp. And I was just adding 1 tablespoon of that. Next, I'm going in with Chai Tea Diaries, the chamomile and lavender flavor. This is a tea that I love to sit back, relax, and drink. It's relaxing and it's also so tasty. So I decided to use this in my recipe today. Now, chamomile can reduce dandruff, help promote hair growth, prevent split ends, and even lighten the hair to a certain extent. And lavender increases blood circulation, strengthens the hair, preventing smoothness and shine. And right here I'm just showing you guys the good ingredients that is inside the tea bag. I wanted to tear it open and put it inside the jar loosely so that it can get a better effect with the oils. Next, I'm going in with avocado oil. Now this is a great source of biotin. It's also rich in protein. It strengthens the root of the hair, it moisturizes the hair, and it adds shine. So as you can see, I am using 4 tablespoons. This is going to be my base oil for my recipe. I love me some avocado oil. I even sit back, relax, and slice open the avocado oil and eat it whole. So now I'm going in with my sunflower oil, and it is infused with rosemary and thyme. This is going to improve health of the scalp, stimulate the hair growth, eliminate frizzy hair, and act as an emollient. So this is one of my new oils I'm trying. So now I'm going in with pumpkin seed oil, and this is also a new oil to me. This is rich in minerals. It includes potassium and zinc. It's a good source of vitamin A, C, and E, and it has antioxidants. As you guys can see, it is a dark color. It has kind of like a rich, nutty aroma to it. So let's see how this goes. Next up is organic castor oil. And castor oil nourishes the scalp with its proteins, vitamins, fatty acids, and antioxidants. It increases circulation to the scalp, attracts dirt and oil to cleanse the hair follicles, and it locks in scalp and strand moisture. So as you can see, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of this castor oil, but I decided to double back and go in for 1 more tablespoon. Okay, because that's just how good castor oil is. So now I'm going in with the MSM, and this is a new ingredient for me. It's a sulfur-rich compound with anti-inflammatory properties. The sulfur can form binds that are essential in strengthening the hair and influencing hair growth. So I'm only going in with 1.5 grams because this can be very drying, and I'm just testing it out. Next up are my 2 essential oils, which is rosemary and lavender. They both stimulate hair growth and they have great fragrances. Rosemary increases hair volume, it controls hair fall, it soothes the itchy scalp, and it removes dandruff. And lavender increases blood circulation, it strengthens the hair, and it promotes smoothness and shine. So you can't beat that with a bag. So now it's time to give this a good stir, and I am going to let it sit and marinate for 2 weeks in a nice, cool, dark place. Once it's done marinating for the 2 weeks, I will come back and I will show you guys how I apply and use this in my regimen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me that thumbs up, y'all. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Tap that subscribe button and notification bell if you are a newcomer, and I will see you guys in my next upload. And again, and always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.